Hello and welcome to Dav Facts Channel. Get ready to revolutionize your health with the power of vegetables. In today's video, we're uncovering the incredible benefits of adding these nutritional powerhouses to your daily diet. Hello health enthusiasts! If you're looking for a simple and delicious way to boost your well-being, look no further than these mighty vegetables. Let's explore how they can transform your health. Spinach, the leafy green superstar. First up, we have spinach, the leafy green superstar that's bursting with nutrients. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and folate, spinach supports immune function, bone health, and may even protect against certain types of cancer. Additionally, its high antioxidant content helps reduce oxidative stress in the body, promoting overall health and vitality. Add this nutritional powerhouse to your meals and watch your health thrive. Bell peppers, the vitamin C champions. Next on our list are bell peppers, the vibrant veggies that pack a punch of vitamin C. Bell peppers are not only delicious but also rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which supports immune function, skin health, and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Furthermore, they contain carotenoids like beta-carotene and lutein, which promote eye health and protect against age-related macular degeneration. Add a splash of color and nutrition to your plate with these versatile veggies. Carrots, the beta-carotene boosters. Now, let's talk about carrots, the crunchy delights that are loaded with beta-carotene. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body and essential for eye health, immune function, and glowing skin. Additionally, they contain fiber, potassium, and antioxidants like vitamin C, making them a nutritious addition to any meal. Keep your eyes bright and your body strong with these vibrant veggies. Broccoli, the nutrient-rich powerhouse. Last but certainly not least, we have broccoli, the nutrient-rich powerhouse that's a must-have in any healthy diet. Broccoli is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and sulforaphane, which may have anti-cancer properties. Additionally, its high fiber content supports digestive health, while its nutrients promote bone health, skin health, and immune function. Fuel your body with these cruciferous wonders and reap the rewards of optimal health. There you have it, folks. Whether you're enjoying spinach, bell peppers, carrots, or broccoli, these mighty vegetables offer a myriad of health benefits that can transform your well-being from the inside out. So go ahead, embrace the power of plants, and watch your health flourish. Thanks for joining us on this veggie-filled journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious tips on how to nourish your body and thrive in health. Until next time, keep munching on those veggies and living your healthiest life.